Even though it's felt like winter for a while now, winter officially does not begin for another month.
Hard to believe, isn't it? That leaves plenty of questions about what else we're going to see here in the mid-state. Lisa Spencer and Dan Thomas join us now with their forewarned winter forecast.
It has been a strange last couple of weeks. Temperatures have been 5 degrees below average overall, which is a lot.
That's right, but December through February always brings us our best chance for the coldest and snowiest conditions.
Well, let's take a look at what's typical for winter in Middle Tennessee. On average, Nashville receives 6.3 inches of snow each year. But we've had some big snowstorms too, like this one, January 2016. 8 inches fell from that one storm alone, and that was Nashville's biggest snowstorm in 28 years.
Yeah, that was just incredible. Fentress County got 15 inches in just that one storm. Now, we've also had some winters that have brought snow totals more typical of what they get up north. Here are the 5 snowiest. The 5th most snowy happened exactly 40 years ago. Nashville got 27 inches. And look at 1959 to 1960, more than 3 feet fell in Nashville then.
Wow. Well, to find out what this upcoming winter will be like, we've looked at 2 things, and they weren't persimmon seeds or woolly worms. The first, El Nino and La Nina. Now, these describe the temperature of the Pacific Ocean off the coast of South America. And it looks like a weak El Nino will form over the next several weeks, which means the ocean will turn unusually warm there, ultimately affecting the storm pattern here over the southern United States.
And we also looked at the pattern of the jet stream over the North Atlantic Ocean, and because of its configuration there, for at least a portion of this upcoming winter, we should have a higher than average number of cold fronts that push southward through Middle Tennessee.
So what does all this mean for Middle Tennessee specifically? We'll look for temperatures to be about average. We'll have several significant cold spells, but they'll be followed by quick rebounds. And you can also count on a few warm stretches of weather.
That's right. And as for precipitation, that will be slightly above average. We'll have several bouts with rain, snow, and ice. Location will be critical during those storms. Also, the table will be set for a couple of significant snowstorms in at least part of Middle Tennessee, given the fact that we'll have a higher than average number of cold fronts in that busy storm pattern to our south. And I'm telling you, I wouldn't be surprised if southern Middle Tennessee gets at least one of those.
So if you have had your eye on a shiny new snow sled, go for it.